Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use your DOOGEE Tab G6 Max as a Wi-Fi hotspot. First of all, we're gonna have to open settings on our tablet and then go to network and internet. Here you're gonna have to select Hotspot and Tethering, and to enable the Wi-Fi hotspot you simply have to switch on this toggle. To adjust the Wi-Fi hotspot menu, select the menu itself. Here you can change the hotspot name, and you can also display the QR code, which you can scan using other devices to quickly connect to your hotspot. Then you can also adjust the security type. You can choose WPA3 Personal, WPA2 Personal, compatibility with both security settings, or you can also select none if you don't want to use a secure connection. You can also adjust the hotspot password in the respective menu, and you can enable or disable the power saving mode for your hotspot, which will turn on your hotspot automatically. Then you can also adjust the bands in speed and compatibility, so you can choose this one or this one depending on your own preference. In more hotspot settings, you can enable or disable hidden SSID. You can also turn on the whitelist mode. You can change some privacy settings, and you can adjust the connections limit. And then in hotspot clients, you can see the devices that are currently connected to your Wi-Fi hotspot. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.